going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to be grabbing Hunts and Jacks. I'm going to be mixing them together. And I'm also going to use Creamsicle, and I'm going to have to blend that in my crease and then put the red on top. And I'm going to go in and grab Hunts and start putting that on my crease as well. So the reason I use a clean blending brush is because I don't want to use the same one I used, just because there's already a lot of color on it. It's already a lot of powder from that first color, and I don't want a lot of red or a lot of orange to go up towards my brow bone at all. We just want it lightly blended up towards that part. So I'm planning to put some glitter in the middle of my eye. So we're just going to make it a lot darker around the inner portion of my eye. Now I'm going to go in and grab Jacks and start working that into the center of my eye. I'm just going to leave a little bit of room in the center and just start working the darkness around it. That way it has a nice shade to go off of. So you see it's like really dark. You can start pushing that up a little bit. I'm just going to go back into that clean big blending brush, and I'm going to blend everything out once again. Now I'm going to go into the glitter. I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer. I'll be using the first NYX glitter, and this is in the color Gold. I'm going to go ahead and apply the primer for the glitter with my finger. Put that like in the center. That is so glittery. Holy moly. So I went ahead and dipped my brush into the glitter. So don't rub it. All you have to do is tap it. Wherever you put that primer, just tap it. So I'm just going to go into my Butter London Icono Last Mascara and apply that. I'm using my Ritz Republic lashes, and these are in the style Seductive. And I'm just going to place these on, and I'll be right back. So now we do have the lashes on, so I'm going to go into the bottom portion of my eye, and I'm going to replicate everything that's on top and bring it to the bottom, especially the glitter. So we're just going to put Jacks around our eye, but not in the center of the bottom portion, just because that's where we're going to be applying the glitter. I'm just going to get a little bit of primer and place it on the bottom portion of my eye so the glitter can stick better. And we're just doing a little bit. We're not going to put too much. So now we're going to go into the rest of our face. I'm going to be using the NYX, this is the Cheek and Lip Whipped Souffle. It's in the color Cocoa Bean, and I actually use this to contour. here. I'm going to go into my Morphe M436 brush. This brush is the best brush ever when it comes to blending contour. I'm going to go into my NYX bronzer and I'm going to set that contour. I'm going to go into my Real Her Be Fearless Be Limitless blush kit, and I'm going to be mixing all three. So I'm just going to go into my Airspun translucent powder. I'm going to set my contour on my blush. Next, we're going to go into my favorite highlighter of all time, Maybelline, and this is in Molten Gold. So moving on to lips, I'm going to go into the NYX Lip Liner, and this is in the color Natural, and I'm just going to outline my lips. And since this color is so light, you can actually overline, because it's kind of like, it looks like similar to your natural lip color, so it gives you more of an illusion of fuller lips without it being too dark, without people noticing. So I'm going to be going to one of my favorite lip glosses. This is the Ilunsaraii times Colourpop, and this is the Ultra Glossy Lip, and this is in the color Curvii. Now that we have everything done, we're just going to go into the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Setting Spray, and we're just going to set this masterpiece of a face. Alright guys, and that completes my full coverage eye glitter look for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed just as much as I loved creating this video for you guys. If you did enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget to comment and hit subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell at the top of the video. Whenever I post, you will be the first to know. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!